in here. Hey. All right, squad.
Scan.
I'm holding still as best I can.
Scanning. Clear. Move along.
And a good day to you.
Watch yourself, please.
You're in. Now find the thing.
AI innovation. We automated London's black cabs. We brought it back. Technology. Leave the troubles of the world behind. Society awaits you. A society of peace and innovation, of love and prosperity. Join our mailing list to receive updates when Daybreak goes live. Unleash the full potential of your mind. One simple complete procedure and you can be free forever. Sign up for our waitlist today and join us in the world of tomorrow. Daybreak is the future. And the future is very bright indeed. Brokertech has led the world in AI innovation. We automated London's black cabs, we brought Bagley to your optics. But our latest endeavor is something entirely new. Technology and humanity, two sides of the same coin. That is the heart of Daybreak. A chance to leave the troubles of the world behind. Things may seem bleak now, but a new society awaits you. A society of peace and innovation, of love and prosperity. Join our men to receive updates when Daybreak goes live. Unleash the full potential of your mind. One simple complete procedure and you can be free forever. Sign up for our waitlist today and join us in the world of tomorrow. Daybreak is the future, and the future is very bright indeed. Brokertech has led the world in AI innovation. We automated London's black cabs, brought Bagley to your optics. But our latest endeavor is something entirely new. Technology and humanity, two sides of the same coin. That is the heart of Daybreak. A chance to leave the troubles of the world behind. Things may seem bleak now, but at least.
Now?
Hey, you made it.
Should I call you back?
What? Oh, him. Yeah, he thought I was trespassing. I'll set him straight.
Right.
Now, about that message I sent you. I might have been a little overexcited. Oh, shut up! I've been investigating a massive contract. Too massive for the plebs who use 404. This contract is different. Dangerous.
Oh, is it?
I will tell you. But first I have to trust you. And you have to trust me, you know? So, I'm gonna send you another 404 contract. Let's just get to know each other a little better.
How do I know these targets deserve anything? How do I know you're not setting us up?
Oh, there you go. Asking the right questions. Trust me. I do my research. I know every contract inside out and they're all part of the problem. London, the world, will be much better off with our help. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to move this twat before he gets his strength back. Laters.
Not a trap. Sounds like we have a potential partnership with this mean, aggressive mystery woman. Give it a think and we'll discuss once you're out of Somerset House.
Solid plan.
Sign up for our witness today and join us in the world of tomorrow. Daybreak is the future, and the future is very bright indeed. Brokatech has led the world in AI innovation. We automated London's black cabs, we brought Bagley to your optics. But our latest endeavor is something entirely new. Technology and humanity, two sides of the same coin. That's the heart of Daybreak. A chance to leave the troubles of the world behind. Things may seem bleak now, but a new society awaits you. A society of peace and innovation, of love and prosperity. Join our members to receive updates when Daybreak goes live. Unleash the full potential of your mind. One simple clean procedure and you can be free forever. Sign up for our witness today and join us in the world of tomorrow. Daybreak is the future, and the future is very bright indeed. Brokatech has led the world in AI innovation. We automated London's black cabs, we brought Bagley to your office. But our latest endeavor is something entirely new. Technology and humanity, two sides of the same coin. That's the heart of Daybreak. A chance to leave the troubles of the world behind. Things may seem bleak now, but a new society awaits you. A society of peace and innovation, of love and prosperity. Join our members to receive updates when Daybreak goes live. Unleash the full potential of your mind. One simple procedure and you could be free forever. Sign up for our witness today and join us in the world of tomorrow.
Engage search and alert protocol.
Daybreak is the future, and the future
To procedure.
is very bright indeed. Brokatech has led the world in AI innovation. We automated London's black cabs, we brought Bagley to your office. Our latest endeavor is something entirely new. Technology.
What do I do?
I like her style. Doesn't seem tacky enough to be working with Zero Day.
She's not afraid to get her hands dirty. I like that. Let's see where this goes, yeah?
If you decide to become gig economy hacktivists, then I'll support you, because I literally have no choice.
I'm here.
Well done. Let me tell you about your contract. The Nexus Tower holds a quantum computer used by Albion. It simulates civilian response to large-scale events. Mass arrests, deportations, bombings.
Fucking hell. They're running sims to see what will go unnoticed. That's some next-level fascism.
It's a minging piece of work. Destroy the quantum computer. That's the contract.
It dropped out of...
Find them! Drone, perform a search.
No room for error. Looks clear. We'll check another area. Drone, search this sector. Shotgun!
Teammate has sought out new accommodations in an Albion holding cell. Have London rents really gotten that bad?
Ugh, useless. All right, it's all on me then.
Shut this off! My fucking ears!
Sending location on the 1033. Advised conditions.
Just an alarm malfunction, but I'll keep looking. Knock that drone down! We should spread out and search the area.
Not seeing anything. Any sign of the target?
I will go that way.
I'll see what could have set off the alarm. Nothing's here. Resuming my patrol.
You're a natural. Next step is to wait for Now to get back to us. But don't wait here. That would be a shit idea.
Agreed.
Dead good. Glad to establish a foundation of trust. I'm ready to show you the contract I'm investigating. Go to the GBB. You shouldn't have any trouble finding her.
Hold still during the scan. Not my fault. My muscles twitch. Remain where you are. Your profile.
Ah, the GBB, once considered the world's greatest public broadcaster, now considered, quote, quite shit. This is where you'll find Nowt's big contract.
The GBB seems to be hosting some exclusive event. You'll have eyes and ears into the building if you reach the access point on the roof.
Keep your hands and arms inside your vehicle at all times.
hear something, come out!
Investigating disturbance. Awaiting an active protest report.
Fuck it.
Everything you are is in your brain. Your love, your fear, your dreams, even the cheeky ones, are all electrical signals firing back and forth between your ears. This right here is more powerful than any computer, but it has its limitations. I watched my mother succumb to motor neuron disease, and her loss made me realize that death comes to us all. But what if we could change that? What if we could scan your brain and upload the neural map to the cloud? Well, it would mean the end of human suffering, of death itself, and the beginning of a new society where war, oppression, disease are all worries of the past. Hello, my name is Sky Larson. I'm CEO of BrokerTech, and this is Daybreak. Now, since all of you have signed up for our waitlist, I'm sure you're eager to see how Daybreak really works. But before we do that, I'll ask the technicians at the board to cut the live feed. We wouldn't want any uninvited guests recording these trade secrets. Daybreak is an imaging system which scans the...
Protest rallies are not.
There you have it, DedSec. The big contract.
You want to go after Sky Larson?
Oh, I want to do more than that. Problem is, Larson hasn't been seen in public in nearly 2 years, and he can't kill a hologram. I've been trying to track her down. I found a home here in London, but that, well...
But Sky Larson revolutionised AI. She automated most of the city and created our man Bagley. Is she collecting data on us? What's she up to?
Plenty. But you need to see for yourself. Her mansion's in Westminster. The things you'll see in there.
She disconnected.
Bags, can you find where Sky Larson lives?
Of course, I'll just crack open the yellow pages. Oh, look, there she is, right under B, for billionaires who obviously don't publicise their home address, you sweet dumb baby. I've narrowed it down to St James's Square, but that's the best I can do.
Call Nout. She should know where it is.
Tried already. She's offline.
Something big is in that mansion. Big enough to make Nout nervous.